Good morning. Okay, today now I'm going to show you how to service and clean this KM216. Okay, first, before you open up, ensure that you have turned off the power for this. All right. Okay, you need to pull this up. Ensure to then you pull this up here. Okay, once you're done, okay, this is the print head. This one is the print head, and this one is the cutter. Alright, so cutter, you just hold here and you pull up. So you can pull up this like this. Alright, so use your dust blower, then blow off all the dust. Okay, once you have blow off the dust, right, you use your wet tissue to clean this roller. Okay, just clean it and twist it and clean, then okay, so use your IPA to clean the printer head. Okay, just use a cotton bud and your IPA. Okay, just spray it, then just wipe it. Okay, so just wipe it like this. Alright, done. So for this one, there's no part change. In case there's any faulty, then we need to do a 1-to-1 exchange.